In this video, let's talk about the way that you fix the Snapchat account permanently locked. Now, this mainly happens due to you violating the community guidelines of Snapchat. Now, to quickly know if you can appeal this or not, if you open up the app of Snapchat, you should be able to see this message which says your account is locked. And right here, you'll see the option which says appeal decision. So if you are able to appeal, or if your account is able to appeal, you can simply open up the Snapchat app. And right here, you'll see the option called appeal your decision. So once you do that, you'll need to fill in your information such as your username, your contact information, and the exact reason that you're trying to appeal to Snapchat. Now, this is not a permanent solution, and if you have previously violated a community guidelines, your account may not be unlocked and you may not be able to retrieve this particular account. So depending upon your case on what you did, you can simply appeal this decision and try to see if you can get back your account within 48 hours. So Snapchat should message you within 20 to 40 hours after you submitting this appeal. I do hope this short guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's gonna be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.